can't compare yourself. Comparison will always leave you feeling empty. Comparison will always leave you feeling like you're not enough. But when you decide to focus tunnel vision on you and say, what do I have to offer? When you're fully yourself and fully confident and you know what you have to offer, that's what's going to make you feel better and less insecure about yourself. Because the truth is, you don't know what's going on in anyone else's lives. And sitting there thinking that you want someone else's life when you have no idea what the full pile of their problems is so pointless.